This is where me and my dad, me and my papa, me are going fishing. Look where we're fishing. Papi, are we gonna catch a fish?
Yes, I'll be a shark.
Oh, you heard what he said. It's a big shark. And we're going fishing, right?
Yes, sir.
Oh, look over there. Is that a big boat?
Mm-hmm.
Almost big it's almost big than this car. Well, there's the sea.
Oh, yeah, no, yeah.
There's the sea where the ducks and fish are. And that tree